Hello friends, today we learn world of letters. Page number 3, slipping and slanting lines. Match the pairs. Toothpaste and brush both are the dental product, so match them. Next, bat and ball both are the playing toys, so match using slipping lines. Shoes and socks both are wearing foot, so match them using slant line. Bucket and tumbler both are bathing tools, so match them using slipping line. I have done. Match the following. The page number 4. It is letters and patterns. Letters and patterns. Trace and recap using index finger or crayons. First we trace patterns. From the dot, trace toward downside. From the dot, trace toward downside. This is standing line. Standing line is nothing but a vertical line. Standing line. Standing line. From the dot, trace toward right side. From the dot, trace towards right side. This is slipping line. Slipping line is nothing but a horizontal line. Slipping line also called horizontal line. Now we trace letters. We trace the letter which made using standing and slipping line. Starting with the letter L. Starting with the letter L. L is made from standing and slipping line. One standing line, one slipping line. I trace more time. Letter T. Letter T is a combination of one slipping line and one standing line. One slipping line and one standing line. Letter I. I for insect. I is a combination of two slipping line and one standing line. Two slipping line and one standing line. Two slipping and one standing. H for horse. Letter H is a combination of two standing line and one slipping line. Two standing line and one slipping line. Letter F for fish. Here one standing and two slipping. F for fish is a combination of one standing line and two slipping line. E for elephant. Letter E for elephant is a combination of one standing line and three slipping lines. One standing line and three slipping lines. Draw standing and slipping lines. From the dot, trace toward downside, standing line. Dot, trace toward downside, dot, trace toward downside, dot, trace toward downside. Standing line. And slipping line. From the dot, trace toward the right side. From the dot, trace toward the right side. From the dot, trace toward the right side. Submit your homework in WhatsApp. See you soon. Bye bye.